Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Open the Azure portal and sign in with your organizational account. Search for Application Insights and click Create to start a new resource. Choose a resource group, region, and application type before creating the resource. Set the application type to the platform you will monitor, like ASP. Net, Node, or Java. Select pricing tier and enable ingestion sampling if you expect high telemetry volume. Click Review and Create to provision the resource and wait, while Azure deploys the Application Insights instance. Install the appropriate SDK for your platform and add the connection string to configuration. For NET use the Microsoft Application Insights package, and for Node use Application Insights NPM package. Copy the connection string or instrumentation key from the overview pane in Portal and paste it into app settings or environment variables. Configure sampling and telemetry modules in code to control data volume and reduce costs. Restart your app after adding the SDK and configuration to begin sending to verify incoming telemetry in live metrics stream and the logs, analytics, blade to confirm data flow. Open performance and failure blades to inspect response times and exception traces in real time. Create alerts based on metrics like server response time, failed requests, or exception count to detect issues quickly. Configure action groups to notify email, SMS, webhook, or automation runbooks when alerts fire. Tune retention, sampling, and diagnostic settings in the resource to balance cost and observability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.